Hi Kirby fans, so today what we're going to be doing is run a CFM test on both those G3s. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so as I said in today's video, what we're going to be doing is run a CFM test on that G3, on the 1992 and the 1993, and seeing how they perform now they're fully refurbished. So again, everything I use in my videos, including this one, there will be links in the description below, so make sure you check those out for the best place to get your Kirby products. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. Right, so as you can see, we've got both G3s set up. Well, we've got one on the actual airbox at the moment. Again, if you haven't seen the refurbs on these, I will put an old card above, and there will be links in the description to everything I use to refurbish these, and especially what I'm using today, which will be the airflow meter. If you want to check those out, there will be links in the description below. So what we're going to do first is we're going to jump in and do the 1992 first. We'll do it with the brush roll on, and then we'll do it with the brush roll off, and then we'll jump in and see what the 1993 runs as well. Hopefully they're running about the same. They're basically identical, so there shouldn't be any real difference. I'm hoping, I think the 1993 might run a little bit better. I think it's done a lot less miles than what this one's done. They have both had new brushes in there as well, and the new brush rolls, as you've seen in the previous video. Again, there will be an old card above if you haven't seen those, so check those out at the end of this video. So what we'll do is jump straight into it and check out the CFM brush roll on the 1992 and then brush roll off. So what we'll do is get straight to it. This is brush roll off. And this is brush roll on. So that was the 1992, and we're nearly at 123, close to 123 CFM with the brush roll off, and 119 with the brush roll on. Now we'll put the stats at the end of the video as well, and again, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, it helps the algorithm. So what we'll do now is we'll jump in and see what the 1993 version does. So what we'll do is jump back into it. So it's the brush roll off. And that's pushing out 126,495 CFM with the brush roll off. Brush roll on. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope it's really informative and people are starting to understand what cubic feet per minute is and how the airflow actually works on the Kirby. Now we had some quite surprising results, and I will put them on screen. So we'll start off with the 1992. The 1992, as you can see, it had a lot of use. The fan wasn't broken in that one when I refurbed it. So that one had, with the brush roll off, we got 122.76 CFM. Which I thought was quite reasonable. And then with the brush roll on, we obviously lost about 3 CFM, which was weird, but we got 119 CFM. Now, the 1993, which we knew hadn't had a lot of use purely because it had a broken fan in it for like 20 years. That, with the brush roll off, we had 126.495 CFM, so nearly 127 CFM which was quite surprising. And then with the brush roll on, we only lost 1 CFM, and it dropped down to 125.442 CFM. So the winner out of the two is the 1993. As I said before, when we refurbed, it had not a lot of use from what we could see. It had been stored for years with that broken fan. So I'd say it's running to pretty new condition. So that's really, really well. I'm going to look into the 1992 and see if I can get the CFM up. I did go into it and clean everything that I could. But I'll have a look at that and see if we can get the CFM up there. There might just be more wear in the actual boot empty out, I don't know, but we'll have a look and we'll check that one out. So again, those new to the channel, if you're finding you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Now don't forget, we're literally 500 subscribers away from that initial launch of the next competition. So again, if you want to be entered into that competition, able to comment, then make sure you are subscribed to comment on that video when that gets aired at 2,000 subscribers. I should hopefully be announcing soon what the giveaway will be. So again, if you're enjoying the content, show your support by slapping that subscribe button. Again, absolutely free as well. You can enter that competition, and make sure you check out the Kirby merch, and there's plenty of links in the description below of everything I've used today. So make sure you check those out, and what I'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Now, we'll put the stats at the end of the video as well. Well, I hope you... So again, and we should be hopefully launching what